y'all, it's Tammy, Southern Angel Stamping, and I'm going to show y'all just a real quick video. It's not a whole lot, but I went to Dollar Tree to get a few things. Well, actually, I went to go get one thing for a project I need to do, and actually I'm probably going to have that project up, maybe even before this video, because I've got to have that up first. And I went to go find a picture frame. Not sure which one I'm going to use, so I went ahead and got the two because I'm not sure what size. So these are the two I got. I was really wanting a more like a 9x9. They didn't have it, so I thought, well, I'll get the 8x10 and I'll get this more like a 12x12 and see which one I want to use. Didn't care what color because I can always paint the frame. So that's going to be something we'll be using. Like I said, the project will probably be up before this video, most likely. Then I've got something else, which hopefully if I remember, I'll post a little picture up somewhere here in the corner or something. It's just one of those little flags, lawn flags that light up. It's kind of like these little solar stakes, but it's a little flag, and I had gotten one of those and then two of these. I love these solar lights. I don't know if I'm going to do something with these DIY or use them as is, but I do love these. The little flag one I went ahead and just stuck outside in my flowered pot. And then I went ahead and got another one of these lighters. I keep these in just about every room to light my candles, and I was needing some new ones. Got a new Sharpie because I was needing a new one. Got a couple of these list pads. This one just says notes with checkers on it. And this is donuts. I thought at the time it was ice creams, but now that I look at it, I notice it's donuts. So yeah, when I first looked at it, I thought it was ice cream. So I see it's donuts now, but that's okay. Those were the two. They had several different ones, and I was just quickly trying to grab two of them. Like I said, I was in a very big hurry. I grabbed a couple of new washies that I hadn't seen. This one's just got some little jars and things on it. And this one says summertime. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then as I was going out, I saw these jars of buttons, and I told my husband, I thought, oh yeah, let me grab these. I noticed I'm really low on buttons. I was looking for some pink buttons one day. Didn't even have any. So I noticed there's a good bit of pink in there. And I had pink buttons, and I forgot what other color. Several colors of buttons I've been out of. Been wanting to get some. Every time I had to go to the craft store, I thought, gosh, just to get some buttons is kind of expensive, you know. So I thought for $1, you get a whole mixture of colors. So real good deal. I like that. First I saw like it was blacks and browns. I thought, I don't want that. And then I saw these, grabbed them for $1. So I noticed the little dollar store down the road is getting better with some craft items. So I'm glad. Then not real crazy about them. They don't fit exactly well, but we've got some very uncomfortable chairs. They do have these for $1. Told my husband to pick out what he liked, and we grabbed just 4 of these. They are kind of small. They're not made the best, but they'll do until I can get some better ones or make some is what I'm probably going to do, since I do have a sewing machine whenever I can get some time. You know, this one's all, look at that, the thread's just all messed up. So I don't really recommend these, I mean, for long-term use, but in a pinch, I guess, you know, the foam's thin, and they don't have that great of a selection, but in a pinch, if you need something quick, you know, I guess they'll be all right. They're not going to last very long, I don't think. Like I said, they didn't even fit really that well. They're pulling. They're probably going to rip in our chairs as hard as my family is on them. But like I said, in a pinch, they'll probably be all right for you. So I got those for our kitchen chairs. And that, like I said, is it. So if you like this haul and you like this video, you like Dollar Tree, please remember to give me a thumbs up. It's quick. That's what I went in there for. Just a few quick things. They had a lot of new things. I would have loved to have gone shopping, but I was in a big hurry. Hadn't been into Dollar Tree in a really long time. This one usually doesn't have a lot of things. I was surprised to see they actually had a pretty good selection this time. But I didn't have time to be browsing and shopping. So just wanted my husband to take me in real quick. So anyway, remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Remember to please click that bell, notification bell, so you'll be notified on new videos. And I thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. See you again real soon. Thanks for watching.